Hi, I am Candace Brands. I am Dordt University's online academic advisor, which means I'm your advisor as a dual credit student with Dordt University. I'm here to tell you a little bit more about what advising means today. Advising is a crucial part of your college career, and even as a dual credit student can be very helpful as you consider what courses to take. I can be a help if you're having any issues with your course. I am here to help support you and give you resources. Some of the things that I do is exploring some academic interests and possibly putting student plans together. A lot of times dual credit students are able to minor in another subject or major or double major also because of different dual credit courses that were taken and opening up the schedule. Another thought on dual credit is being able to graduate in 3 years and get a bachelor's degree. And so how does that look? And I'm a believer that you should not be a course accumulator, but take them with purpose, and that you're taking courses that really are going to help you with your college career choice. I also look at career options and just different things that maybe you would be interested in and what that would look like after college. And being able to answer questions on applications for Dordt University. Maybe you're having issues with the online learning system. I'm here to support you in that as well. So if you have any questions on that, I just really encourage you to reach out to me. I love Dordt, and I would love to see you come to campus for a visit sometime as well. We offer the following majors here at Dordt. We offer many minors, some associate's degrees, some pre-professional programs, and master degree programs as well. So lots of different options. It's such a great campus and such wonderful, caring professors also. My information is included here. I will be reaching out to you many times through text and email, so you'll always have my contact information as well. But I highly encourage you to reach out to me if you have any questions, concerns, or would like to just talk a little bit about your future. Thank you and have a wonderful day.